Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix command prompt opens and closes immediately and keeps crashing. First method is type regedit in Windows search bar, right click run as administrator. Click and expand H key current user, click and expand software, click and expand Microsoft. Click command processor, if any entries available delete all entries. Second method is type sysdm.cpl in Windows search bar, click sysdm.cpl. Click environment variable, edit path. Third method is type cmd in Windows search bar, right click run as administrator. Type sfc /scano. Fourth method is click Start, Settings, click Privacy and Security, open Windows Security. Check full scan. Fifth method is click Start, Settings, click System. Click Recovery, click Reset. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.